Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. And as we come to the last week of this year 2022, I hope all of you have had a great year and are looking forward to new year with new beginnings and something interesting. As we come to this year end, we also come on my channel. We have been doing the base method of multiplication. So we come to the last part of this base multiplication series as well. Now I just felt like I have been shooting a few episodes of some serial on for the OTT platform. Yes, of course. So nonetheless, jokes apart, we are here to see the last part of the base method of multiplication, where we have taken the base to be 10 or any number in the power of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. So here we will be multiplying two numbers where actually the base is different, but the entire method of multiplication stays absolutely the same. So let's, without wasting any further time, go to the board and let's see how we do this. Now, as I said, both my numbers are different. In the first example, it is 73 multiplied by 990, which means my base would be, in an ideal case, 100 and 1000. And in the second example also, it is going to be the same thing, 100 and 1000. But no, I cannot take two different bases. So what I do is I multiply 73 by 10, and similarly I multiply 99 by 10 to get a new number 730 and 990. Now if you all see, my modified sum is 730 multiplied by 990 and 990 multiplied by 1005, in which case the base becomes 1000 in both the cases. So now I have an equal base for both my numbers, so the multiplication is going to be extremely easy and quick. As you all know, I subtract 730 from 1000, so which I get minus 270, and 990 minus 1000, I get minus 10. Now I have found the base, I have done the subtraction with the base. I put a cross sign and I subtract 730 and 10, or 990 and 270 in either of the cases. If you'll observe, oops, I am very sorry, I missed out the next step. I first multiply these two numbers, the differences, that is 270 and 10, in which case I get 700. I write here, and 2 I am going to write separately because I have 3 digits here, so I have only space for 3 digits here. So my 2 goes down below here. We will come to this, what to do with this 2, we will come there in just a moment. So my first step was finding the base, second step was finding the difference, third step was multiplying these two differences, writing them here, and the last step, as I said, put a cross here and subtract 730 from 10 or 990 from 270. In either of the cases, my answer comes out to be 720. Now I have written this 2 separately here, which I add to the next number. So my final answer comes out to be 72700. Now this is not my final answer actually, because in this case I had multiplied my 73 by 10 to get 730. So to get to my final answer, I will divide it by 10 to come to my final answer, which is 72270. So this comes out to be my final answer. Now let's come to our second sum, where we have already found out what our base is, which is 1000. So my next step is subtraction, 990 minus 1000, which gives me minus 10, and 1005 minus 1000 gives me plus 5. Now my answer will be again done in two parts. First, I will be multiplying 10 minus 10 and 5, which gives me minus 50. Writing the sign is important. Then I put a cross sign. So I either subtract 1005 from 10, or I add 990 and 5, which comes out to be 995. So 995, and my base has 3 zeros, so I add the 3 zeros here. Minus 50 will be done to get my answer as 994950. Now again, this is not my final answer. I had multiplied 99 by 10, so I divide 994950 by 10 to get my final answer, which is 99495, which comes out to be my final answer. Now you all must be wondering, why have I multiplied the 99 or the 73 in this case? It was just for ease of calculation, so that I am able to solve it with the help of the same base in both the cases, and then later on I have divided my final answers, my answers to get my final answers in both the cases by 10. So in mathematical terms I have balanced it. Now, since this is a method that you have learned newly, I always recommend something that you learn newly, you should be able to implement it. So let me erase this and give you something for quick practice. And of course, as usual, I always look forward to your enthusiastic comments in the form of answers to my question. So the practice sum is 94 multiplied by 990, the answers to which I will be looking forward to in the comment section. And of course, you all know that if you like my videos, you all have to like and subscribe to my channel to get more and more of these interesting videos, where I post videos thrice a week on every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And I will see you with yet another interesting video in the new year. Bye bye till then, and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.